So in this video we're gonna add in the toggle like function. So first of all, when we go down and find the like function, we're gonna create it actually. Let's say public function toggle like, and then we're gonna say block equals new block find ID. Then we're gonna say block toggle like by. This will then automatically say if it's gonna be disliked or liked. So the functionality here is actually really good because that will allow us to just get it to work like that. Okay. Okay, great. So what we can do now is we can say if block liked, then we are gonna say else. So if it's liked, we are gonna return a JSON response, and in that response we are gonna have, first of all, we're gonna have like, then we're gonna have is liked equal true, and then we're gonna have likes equals block likes likes counter. So the reason why we're going to do this is because every time you return something back, we're going to automatically update the likes as what it was just after you use this action. So in the case that we are unliking this article, we are going to return false. Great. Now we just need to make sure that we have the route set up as well, of course. And just remove the new. So inside our routes, we are gonna go in and we are gonna add in the possibility to toggle like. Okay, so route get post toggle like ID block controller toggle like, as we call the function in here. Then we're gonna say name equals toggle like. Okay, great. So what we need to do now is we need to go in and implement it inside here. So first of all, what we can do is we can up here, actually let's move, first of all, let's move this down here, and then let's give this a class of mx auto, and then let's put HR here, and then let's put this below here. Okay, great. This is just me that's making some changes. You don't have to follow them. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna say if blog liked, no, sorry, actually we're gonna say if you're gonna have one called class like, then ID like, and then we're gonna have one called this unlike. And then here we're gonna have an icon element of FA hot, style, color, width. And then we're gonna have to text like, and this is only gonna be available if you're logged in. Sorry, that went wrong here. Okay, so let's just okay, great. So what we can do now is install Font Awesome. So let's go in here and say fontawesome.io. And we can also make the like counter in the meantime. So we can copy this, remove the class, change this to like count, and put in here blog likes counter. And let's go in here. Or we can actually just go into CDN.js. This is faster than downloading it. So let's go in and say font awesome. Here you go. And then inside our app, the blade, let's say link new style sheet href there. Okay, great. So let's serve this now. Just waiting for this to load. And then let's run PHP artisan migrate. Let's go in here and say likes. I think it's likes count. There you go. And then let's go in and fix it in here as well. Okay, great. So in the next video, we are gonna add in the ability to dislike, unlike or like this, automatically update this when you click on it, automatically update the icon in here, and then we actually are done with the like functionality. So see you in the next video.